My name is Imtiaz Rastgar and I am from the manufacturing sector. I have established manufacturing companies, run them, then established machinery distribution companies and machinery service companies. So I come here with a lot of background, and with that background and my interaction with people in the financial community, within the management community, I realized that there are certain things which need to be brought to the attention of people who manage large concerns, who manage the purchases of large concerns, and who take financial decisions on investments, on capital expenditures. So for people like you, I have written this book. And this book is like a checklist where I have helped people to save millions of dollars on energy costs and on capital purchases costs by my various advice. And now I have summed up that advice here in this book. Just to give you a short idea about one small chapter here in this book, it reads, energy costs make up 77% of the total cost of ownership of your air compressor. People make the wrong assumption that the major cost of compressed air is in the initial purchase of the machine, which people in the financial community, in the management community, they call it CAPEX. In reality, electricity, lube oil, spares, and service to operate the equipment over time is far more expensive than the initial cost of the machine itself. So how do you account for that? I have given a small chapter here which gives you a diagram of what you can save or what you will be spending actually over 5 years when you make a purchase decision to buy an air compressor. Similarly, there are other things. Here is a chapter on capital expenditure. So what I've written is CAPEX plus, because people like you in the financial community, cost accountants, you know what is CAPEX, but beyond CAPEX, if you make one wrong CAPEX decision, what it is going to cost you over the next 5 years. And mainly also it is energy and sustainability. About energy and sustainability, 80% of the energy going into an air compressor is converted into heat. And that heat, where can you use it in the process? And many times, your engineers may not come to you with that solution. You may need to ask them certain questions before you get to the right purchase decision. And there are many other things like quality, quantity of air, many other things. So for people in the management cadres, in the C-suite, you need to have this book as your checklist. It is available in hard copy on Amazon. You can order it and you will benefit. It's not in thousands of dollars, you will benefit in millions of dollars.